আমরা করছি ব্রেশন। The bracing may be vesicular, it is rustling in character, there will be no gap between inspiration and expiration, and the expiratory part is half of the inspiratory part. But there is vesicular bracing with prolonged expiration found in obstructive airway disease where the expiratory part is long. Okay, then the bronchial bracing, it is growing in character, and there will be a gap, and the expiratory part is more prominent than the inspiratory part. And the bronchial bracing are of three types. One is the tubular, it is the high pitched bronchial; cavernous, it is low pitched bronchial; and amphoric, it is basically low pitched bronchial with an high pitched metallic intonation. So when we get this amphoric bracing, it indicates presence of bronchial tissue. Okay, and in case of the obstructive airway disease, you have to note the force expiratory term. How to do that? You put the stethoscope over the trachea and ask the patient to expire. জোরে শ্বাস নিন, তারপর ছাড়ুন, ছাড়ুন, পুরো পুরো ছাড়ুন, আস্তে 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 পুরো ছাড়ুন, and you have to count the time. ওকে, আর ঠিক আছে, আপনি ডাউন করে নিন।